A simple way to code the firmware for the ESP32 is to use the Arduino IDE. Because they share the same language, you can use the numerous libraries available in the Arduino IDE. Let's learn how to connect the ESP32 to the Arduino IDE. Let's learn how to connect the ESP32 to the Arduino IDE. First, install the Arduino IDE. Once it is installed, run it. Click the File, Preference menu in the top left corner. Copy the link into the additional board manager URLs at the bottom. I have left the link in the video comments. When finished, press the OK button. Next, click the second menu on the left and search for ESP32. And download the ESP32 by ESP32. Now, connect the ESP32 to the PC. I connected it through the Type-C port on my laptop. Next, let's select the board. For general ESP32, you can select ESP32 dev module. Match the port number as well. Next, click the Tools menu. First, change Erase or Flash before sketch upload to Enabled. Change Flash mode to the I/O. Change JTAG adapter to ESP USB bridge. Finally, set the upload speed. The upload speed must also be kept the same during the final coding. When everything is done, press the upload button at the top. You will see the process progressing in the terminal at the bottom. Once completed, the following text will appear. Moving forward, I will continue to explain DIY projects and circuits utilizing MCUs and embedded systems like ESP32 and Arduino. Thank you for watching.